Hello friends, I'm Ankush and today we are going to look at edge detection. Edges are those features in an image where there is an intense intensity change from if you go from one side to the other. So for example, if you look in this image in the girl's arms, if you go from left to right, there is an intense change in the intensity of the pixels and those are called edges. Okay, so what are the uses of these edges? Well, these are an important features for convolutional neural networks or CNNs. CNNs are very popular and are used for various computer vision tasks, and we will study them in the later videos. Okay. Besides that, edges can also make some creative content, and you can also make a video out of these edged images, which I'll show you in the later half of the video. Okay. So let's see how edge detection is done. So initially we just import our libraries as usual. Then and then I have shown displayed the image. Okay, and so here we convert the image into grayscale. Why? Because edge detection is done on grayscale images. Okay, so we use these things called kernels, and these are nothing but just so how we use it is that we pass the kernel onto the whole image and we do a sort of a matrix multiplication, and we find the intensity changes through these kernels. How do we do that? Is that so we multiply the left and right pixels with -1, 4, and then -1, and then we find the intensity changes through this, and where there is a high intensity changes, then we take those as edges, and as we know that edges contain high intensity changes, so that's what we use. And before that, we first blur the image using this averaging kernel. Why? Because it helps in reducing the noise in edge detection. Okay, so first we use the averaging kernel, and on that we use the edge detection kernel. Okay, and we use a threshold, and then we get our edge detected image, and this is quite straightforward code. So this is how it's done. So but there are different edge detection techniques. For example, there is this Sobel Y and Sobel X. So what are these is that if you want to find horizontal or vertical edges separately, we use these kernels. So this is so basically this is Sobel Y helps in finding the horizontal edges. So how it works is that so it detects intensity changes from top to bottom, as it's -1 in the top and 1 in the bottom. Similarly, -2 in the top and 2 in the bottom. So it helps in detecting intensity change from top to bottom. And as we know, horizontal edges have intensity changes from top to bottom. Similarly, vertical edges have intensity change from left to right, which is detected by Sobel X. And as you can see, so Sobel X, so this is Sobel Y, which is detecting horizontal edges, and Sobel X, which is detecting most of the vertical edges, right? So now let's look at how we can use this to make a video of edges. So if I show you a video, so this is just a video, and let's see how an edged video of this video will look like. Okay, so what I've done is I've just made a function which does nothing. It just gives the edged image of basically this image it will give. And why I wrote a function, because we are going to call multiple times. So a video is nothing but a bunch of frames, so and we need to run this edge detection code on each of the frame of the video. That's why I've written it in a function, and we'll call that function whenever we need. Okay, so I just took the video through its path, and while the video's frames are running, and we get the edge image, and then we are this is just rotating. I'm just rotating the image here, and then I'm saving the frames. Okay, so this will do is that it will make all the frames. So you see, Here we have all the frames of the video, and now what we need to do is we need to save the video. Uh, we need to make a video out of these frames. So OpenCV we have this has this function video writer through which we can do that. Okay, and then when we run this code, and we get our final video, which you can see. Pretty cool, right? So you can use this to make some sort of a movie or a cartoonish kind of thing, and it can help in a lot of things. As like I said, it will help as a great edge detector in case of convolutional neural networks, which we will study in the later videos. So yeah, I hope you like this video, and don't forget to give a thumbs up and please subscribe. And if you have any suggestions on my videos, please comment below. Thank you.